Yo, yo, yo. Here we are. We're out here for an outside coronavirus workout, burpee workout. How to do burpees. Let me cut the bullshit. You're gonna need to, especially at this time, I think they're kicking people out of this park as we speak. So I might be trying to go fast. I wanna get this out here. But it's to do with burpees. Burpees will get you wind up. Burpees are like the king of exercises. So let me just show you what I think a burpee is mainly. It's going down in a push-up stance and come back up. So that's the main thing. Let me show you the main thing would be to go down, hands out in front of you, kick your feet back like you're in a push-up position, back straight, legs back up, and standing up. Now that's a burpee. I say you can do stuff before you go down in position. You can do different things while you're in position down there, and you can do things when you come back up. So let me show you. I really think when you're down there, you might as well do a push-up. So let me show you a push-up and I'll come up. Feet out in front, down. Legs back, push-up. Come up. That's minimal of what you want to do on a burpee. Down here, push-up. Come back up. Another thing you can do is Navy SEALs, or mountain climbers like to call them Navy SEALs because they get more views, you know what I'm saying? A Navy SEAL is elbow to knee. I think you can probably see from this way. We're gonna go down. I'm gonna do a push-up, and then I'm gonna do a mountain climb, Navy SEAL, knees to my elbow. I'm gonna do another push-up. You can see this one now, it's knees to elbow. That's a mountain climber. I do push-ups and mountain climbers when I go down. I don't do anything before I go down, but you can do a bunch of stuff before you go down into the push-up position. I do push-ups and Navy SEALs when I'm down there. Now there are so many different variations, and you just keep going until you get your own style of a burpee. Or you can always switch it up, and it's a great exercise, especially now where you might not have access to weights or anything, or might not be allowed to go outside. Hell, you might be in some encampment in a few weeks right now, you know. When you come up, I also like to do a thing where I hit my stomach with my hands, and when you're about to do that, your stomach tenses up. So I like to do that when I come back up. So let me show you. Hands in front of you, feet back, down for a push-up, Navy SEAL. Down for another push-up, Navy SEAL, which is knees to elbows. Feet back in front of me, stand up. I guess that's a stomach flex. So also, besides the stomach flex, when you come up, I do a knees to elbows, and you do your whatever elbow it is, it's the opposite knee. So I'll show you the knees to elbow. It's boom, and then I do the other one, boom. That's some good stomach. And then I do the and that's when I do my count. I do the I hit my arms with my stomach. This is a really good one. It tenses it up, and if you do that 100 times. Now what I usually do is 10 sets of 10, 2 pump burpees. I try to do it for time. I've been getting around 40 minutes. This is my 3rd day doing them. Besides that, I think I've showed you everything I do. Let me just show you 3 reps of how I do it. I'm just gonna go through it. So it's gonna be 2 push, 2 Navy SEALs, 2 knee to elbows, and a stomach. 1. 2. 3. That was 3 of mine. Now I'm telling you, this will get you so ripped, so shredded. We're in a real strange time right now. I don't think anybody can dispute it'd be better to be stronger and healthier at this point. I just had to get this out because I was training for a powerlifting comp, closed the gym down, so I'm like, what am I gonna do? I'm doing burpees I'm doing 100 burpees for 30 straight days. This is day 3 of it, and I want to do a video on how to do a burpee. And although I'm not the burpee expert, I've only been doing them for 9 months. There's way more people doing better burpees. Like, there's all kinds of burpees. Gumby Publishing off the top of my head. There's Burpee King. there's Iron Wolf, there's Moses Cuevas, there's a bunch of people that can do burpees way better than me. I just found out what burpees I like, and I kind of created my own style. They gassed me the F out doing all the burpees. Like, I was so sore today. Today's my 3rd day, so first day I wasn't sore because I didn't start them yet, but second day I was sore, and then today I woke up, I was sore. My weight's going down. He's got to be burning a lot of calories for me. I also wanted to touch on, especially in this day and age, I know about me with this whole pandemic going on and everything like that, that it's kind of all consuming. I mean, we're not going to work right now, blocking down parks. I mean, they're gonna kick me out of here in a second. I mean, you're not allowed to go anywhere. So I find myself, unfortunately, you know, going through a lot of the social media, or I watch, you know, listen to NPR coronavirus news, and I think exercise is more important than ever right now. You know, stay healthy, help your immune system out, relieve stress. That's what's big for me. I mean, if you work out for an hour, that's an hour you're not thinking about anything. You know, you're not stressing about the coronavirus and whatnot. Hope you like this video about burpees. Hope it's gonna help you. Please give it a like, share, comment. Outdoor burpees, 30 days of burpees, burpees. Do a burpee anywhere. Anyways, deuces.